D.
Welcome back. That was a little bit of a musical clue. Freddie Mercury and David Bowie sang the song Under Pressure. Well, David, I love, if I'm doing a bit of cooking, to put in a little bit of five spice sometimes, and you're going to spice us up with more reference to five.
I will. I'm going to spice you with the number 5 and how it permeates so many words in English. Now, the first is possibly the more obvious, and that is pentathlon, which literally means 5 contests and comes from the Greek word pent. And pentagon means 5 angles, and hence the 5-angled shape and the 5-angled building. Moving to Latin, where it's quin is the prefix, that gives us quintuplet and quintet, but it also gives us quintessence. Because quintessence was actually seen as the 5th element by the apothecaries of the Middle Ages. So there was earth, air, fire and water, but the mystical 5th element was this celestial element that actually permeated all material world, and they tried to extract it. But the other word that is also related to 5 that people may not know is the lottery, keno, K-E-N-O, literally comes from the Latin quini, which means 5 in a row, or 5 each actually, and that comes from a French lotto game or lottery game where the winning numbers were actually 5 numbers that you had to get. We've actually added that with a few more numbers and a few supplementaries. But purely, in fact, the quintessence of Keno, if you like, is actually 5 and 5 winning numbers.
5 is everywhere.
It is.
Thank you, David. 5 is not in our scores, though. It's 21 for Dom at the moment, in a strong lead, as we're heading towards our next letter game. And Billy, start us off, please.
All right, Lily, we'll go for a vowel first.
Thanks, Billy. Let's start with an E.
A consonant.
E.
N.
And a consonant.
Another consonant.
And lastly,
D.
A vowel, please.
30 seconds on the clock.
O.
A vowel.
I.
A consonant now.
N.
Another consonant, please.
S.
I'll have a vowel now.
A.
And a final consonant.
And lastly, H.
Thanks, Lily, and here's the clock.
Well, Dom, you've been scoring strongly on the words tonight. How many this time? 6. And how many for you, Rebecca? And what was that 6? And yours, Dom? Fabric. Okay, 2 nice ones there, though.
I'm sorry, Rebecca, could you spell that word?
So, Billy, how did you go that time?
I had 5 again.
And Dom?
5 for me too.
Both of you 5. What was yours, Billy?
Hands, H-A-N-D-S.
And you, Dom? Shine. Shine. Well, David, you've just been talking about 5s, how they permeate everywhere. They've taken up the challenge.
I may have influenced the result. I beg your pardon. I'll talk about 8s and 9s next time. Because there is an 8 in here, obviously, but both those 5s are fine. And once I found this 8, I was stuck to it, and that is adhesion. A-D-H-E-S-I-O-N.
Very nice, David. But 2 5s for Dom and Billy. Let's juggle a few more letters around now. And Dom, what would you like this time?
Let's start with a consonant, please, Lily.
Thanks, Dom. Starting with a B.
Another consonant, thanks.
R.
And a vowel, please.
365.
Thanks,
A.
Lily. Let's head there.
And another vowel, thanks.
E.
And a consonant, thank you.
G.
Another consonant, please.
S.
A vowel, please.
O.
Another vowel, thanks.
A.
And the consonant to finish, please.
And lastly, S.
30 seconds from now.
Well, Rebecca, how did you go this time?
364.
Excellent. Just one off the target. Dom? 364 as well. Okay, well, Rebecca, if you could take us through your method first, please.
Sure. 4 times 100. 5 100 is 400. 400 minus 50. Minus 50 is 350. Plus the 9.
Well, Dom, how many for you this time?
6 this time.
And Billy?
I had 5 again.
Very consistent with the 5, but what was your 5, please?
Breaks.
And yours, Dom?
A bases.
Basis, an interesting word, David.
It's a lovely word. Well played, Tom. A basis is humbles or degrades. Good for 6. One of those strange mixes, that one where as each letter appeared, a new word manifested itself. We had BRA, which is bar. We had an E, which is bear. Then we had a G, which is barge. Then we had an O, which is borage. Then an S for borages, a type of plant, which is what I went for. BORAGES.
A nice one there too. 6 points for Dom. Time for our second numbers game of the night now, and Billy, it's back to your turn for number selection, please.
Okay, Lily, let's have 2 large and 4 small.
2 large and 4 small. Thanks, Billy. And our numbers are 6, 10, 9, 10, and the 2 large, 25 and 100, and the target to reach 497.
Thanks, Lily. I'll start the clock. Well, Billy, that clock came racing around. How did you go?
Didn't manage to get it, but I got 575.
575, a little too far off scoring opportunity. Dom, what about you?
490.
Okay, so you're within the scoring range. Tell us how you got to your target, please.
10 minus 6 is 4.
10 minus 6 is 4.
So 4 times 100 is 400.
By the 100 gives you 400.
And then 10 times 9 is 90.
9 by 10 is 90.
So 90 plus 400 is 490.
Add that on, 490.
So, well done, Dom. 490, 7 off the target. How close can you get us, Lily?
Straight there.
Take us straight there, please.
Okay, now 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 by 25 is 500. And to get that 3, take away the 6 from the 9. Take that all away, 497.
Well done, Lily. Very nice indeed, very elegant. 5 points for Dom. That brings our scores at the moment. Billy is on 5. Dom is a strong leader at the present time on 37 points. We're heading for our next break and another word mix. This time it's tress arc. And your clue, a streak of indecent behaviour. See you in a moment.